So you've got to cleaned out your paintbrush. You've got 3 coats of paint down. This is all looking good. Then the last step is to remove the painter's tape. And I like to do this before the paint dries, and you see how I'm pulling it off at an angle like this? That helps to ensure that I'm not pulling any of the paint off with the tape. Also, by pulling it off sooner rather than later, you're going to achieve the same goal. You definitely don't want to pull up any of the brand new paint that you just put down. Some people may have other preferences on how to do this. After different lengths of time, they might want to let it sit for a day, then come around and cut it with a razor. I'm not sure. This is my preference. You can do it however you like. So after moving some furniture in the room and removing the tape, this is what we have for the baseboards. As you can see, it looks pretty good. I like the way it came out. Give you a little bit of a closer look here at the baseboard itself. You can still see a little bit of actually I think that was a flaw in the board, not a nail hole. I just missed it. But right here, there was a nail that was sticking out a little bit. And this is where the joint was. You can still sort of see it a little bit, but it's pretty invisible, really, especially when you're standing up and looking down. So I think overall it came out looking pretty good, and I hope this video helps you guys out. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share it with somebody if you think this might help them in what they're doing. And thank you very much, YouTube.